Okay, guys, let's begin. Before anything else, I'd like to show you how much fabrics we are going to use. So this fabrics is size 60, 60 width and 60 centimeter height. So 60 cm by 60 cm, and it's good enough for your one Bouffant hat. Okay, so let's begin, guys, and I'll show you how to make this beautiful Bouffant hat. So right here. So this is I like. So this is easy to make, guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's begin, and I'll show you how to make this one. All right, so let's begin. Okay, next, we are going to add some pleats in this hat. Okay, so it's gonna be 1 inch in each time. So let's say, okay, 1 inch in here. Okay, we started. So it start over here and 1 inch over here. So now you're gonna do another first plus pleats here. So right here like this, go this way. So supposed to be 1 inch. Okay, so one. All right, so this is one. Do it like this. Okay, so and then distance is 1 inch either. So in this one from here, you're gonna have to make another pleats for 1 inch. Okay, in order to get your perfect measure of your head, you'll make sure that you're gonna measure your forehead and you have a nice and fit readable hat. guess I got done here. So let's see, like this. So let's see, we'll try this. Okay, so here we go. Is that nice? So yeah, that's it, guys. It's nice fit. So just like what I said in the other video, like I said, so when you do your you know, sorry, someone I'm talking about. When you put it your forehead, this one, you're gonna have measure your forehead right here, so at least you know how much the strip you're gonna put it in. So make it fit real well on you. So like this one. So okay, guys, and I hope you like. I hope you learned something in my video today. So in the part one, I have a hat, like a shower hat. So it helps you to put your hair together when you go to bed. And now, so this is a part two. This bouffant bouffant hat. I'm sorry. So yeah, I use a silk. So it's turned out good though. So okay, guys, and I'll see you in part three. Basically, the part three is about I'm trying to show you how to make those matches for this. Okay, so what is this one right here? So this is the mask and I made. So it's really good, really nice. So spit on you like this. So okay, this is gonna be in part three. So thank you, guys, and have a good day, and I'll see you in part three. So I hope you learned something today. Okay, so let me know, and please, thank you for watching, and subscribe. Okay, thank you, and see you in part three. Bye bye now. Okay, guys, I'll see you in part three to make mask. Thank you. Bye bye.